Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you this packet. It is Tamara Dates factory company, and the pack size is 1 kg. Apart from that, they have mentioned all the ingredients as well as nutritional facts about the product, like calcium, sugar, vitamin, fiber, fat and all. So that's very nice. And they have given the temperature, that till which temperature you could store it. So it's been shown over here. Pack size is 1 kg, and it's been made in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. So that's it about the product. Let's open it and taste it. Yes. So these are the 4 dates I've taken out, and need to take out this part and then taste it. So this is how it looks like. Nice. Very good in taste. Like this Tamara Dates factory dates. Quite tasty. So go for it friends. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.